Hi everyone, Ivan from Corelight here, and today we're going to talk about how to manage your YARA rule sets in Fleet Manager. So let's get started. We'll begin by opening up Fleet Manager, and you can see here that we're on our home page with our sensor that's set up. And we're going to look real quick at our sensor policies. In this case, I'm going to go to the example policy, and I'll open up here to the Enrichments tab. In the Enrichments tab, we have a section on the left side here called the YARA section. And in this section, we have a list of all of our YARA rule sets. Here you can see the YARA rule sets that you have. In our case, we only have one. You can create new collections, but I'll go to the source of truth, which is in the resources tab, and then the YARA rules option. This screen is where we can create rule sets and add YARA sources. Currently, you can see that we have 2 YARA files that have been uploaded with definitions in them. And what we're going to do is add a new source right now. In case you don't know, YARA rules define certain patterns that Corelight sensors can search for, and those patterns are associated with known malicious software or viruses. So these rules are really important because they help analysts discover threats as soon as they enter the network. You can often find open source YARA rules online, or you can subscribe to services that will provide them for you. In our case, I want to add 2 new files, so I'm going to hit a new source and add the first one. And I'm going to call this one Hello Kitty rules. This is a rule set that helps identify Hello Kitty ransomware. The next thing I need to do is give it a namespace. This is a unique identifier. In our case, I'm just going to call it Hello Kitty. And then we can give it a description if we choose. I can now drag the YARA rule onto our screen right here, hellokitty.yar, and I will hit save. So you can see how easy that was. I'm going to do one more, and this one is for the Medusa Locker ransomware. Again, I'll give it a unique name. That's going to be Medusa Locker. I'm going to skip on the description and I'll drag over the YARA definition. I can then hit save and we should be good to go. Now that I've added these 2 sources, I can jump over to the rule set section and create a new rule set. I can now click on the new rule set button and either choose a new rule set or a new shared rule set. The shared rule set is one that can then be applied to other sensor policies. In this case, I will use the new rule set option, and I will call this my new example. Again, you can choose to give it a description if you want, and in my case, I'm just going to select all of the YARA rules that I have in my library. Now I can press the save button, and you'll see that I have this new rule set added to the list. Now if I go back to my sensor policy and click in on example policy, go to the enrichment section, I can now go to the YARA section and change this to be our new example rule set. If I press the save policy button in the top, this will get applied, and now all the sensors in this group will adopt the brand new YARA rules. And that's it. So thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions about YARA rules or rule sets, please feel free to reach out to your Corelight team. Take care.